Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 24H2. Currently, I have to say that Windows 11 24H2 is not fully released. However, we can still install that inside our main computer. Or you can go ahead and try that using the virtual machine. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have an insider account, because without that, you cannot do anything. So I have already an insider account. Let's go ahead and try that. Open the settings app. Following by that, you have to go to the Windows update. Following by that, you have to go to the Windows Insider program, and then you have to simply wait a moment and simply click on get started. Now it is asking that go ahead and link an account. Now you have to link your Microsoft account that you already have. In my case, I am going to link that. So as you can see, there are currently 3 channels that you can go ahead and use to simply test the Windows 11 24H2. Sorry, actually there are 4 channels. However, the most stable version is the release preview if you want a more reliable Windows, instead of the beta, dev, and the canary channel where the features are not stable. You'll face many bugs, and sometimes it's going to cause you system failure. That's why I recommend you to go ahead and use the release preview. That is a more suited method. Anyway, click continue, and now click again continue, and now it's asking you to restart the computer. So it's going to download the required updates, and aside from that, it's going to restore the computer. Once it is done, again, if there was any type of other update, it's also going to simply force you to download those updates. Now this is this first method that you can go ahead and download the Windows 11 24H2. Now there are 2 other methods also that you can go ahead and get the ISO directly from Microsoft website, and then there is also another website, uudump.net. So let me go ahead and show you those methods until it's going to restart. So as you can see, I have opened another browser inside the main computer. Let me search for Windows 11. All you have to do is simply type beta, and now press enter and go ahead and open the very first thing inside the new tab. Make sure again that you are already logged in with your Microsoft account with the insider account, because without it you cannot download it at all. So you have to scroll down, and as you can see, there is written something called quick connect. You have to click on ISO. Okay, now you have to do is go ahead, scroll down to the end. From here, you have to select an edition of the Windows 11 that you need. So as you can see, these are the current build that are available into the open market. So as I said before, if you are looking into a more stable version, you have to go ahead and download a stable release version of the Windows 11. And there's also the build that you can see. Now simply select that, click confirm, wait a moment until it should validate those changes, and now again choose a language for it, and now click confirm, and again wait a moment, and now simply go ahead, click download, and it's going to start downloading Windows 11 24H2 ISO easily. So this is as simple as that. That is the second method. After downloading, you have to go ahead and force upgrade your Windows, or you can just simply go ahead and perform a clean installation inside your computer. Okay, the other method is using the uudump.net. So actually this is also another website. From here you can go ahead, download almost every type of Windows available into the market. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you will see there are the tiny updates, the major updates, the ISO, and every other details are available there. Now if you are looking into the release preview, now go ahead, click on that, and now it is asking that this is the Windows 11. That is an update. Okay, that's also an update. That is the Windows 11 build 22. Okay, that is not really clear. Where is the 24H2? However, we have to look for it because everything is available inside of it, and we can find it. So 24H2, all we have to do is click on that. So this is Windows 11 version 24H2 2600.71 and 2. As you can see, this was updated on the 22 of 5/20/24. so today is 25. It was updated 3 days ago. So you have to click on that, and now from here you have to select a language. Following by that, you have to select which version of the Windows you want to include in that. In my case, how about Windows Pro? That is good to go. And now click next, and from here it is asking which what do you want. Download the UEP set or the ISO, download and then convert that to the ISO, or simply go ahead, download and the additional files and then convert that to the ISO. In my case, I will be selecting the second one because it's going to download the components of the Windows and then it's going to convert that into an ISO image. Also, in the below you can see there is also the conversion options. You can go ahead and include the updates if there were any. Also, I want to run the component cleanup. What do I mean is, whenever it is going to start downloading UU.NET, it's going to cache some files into your system, which is going to take some storage. So that's why I am selecting run component. So after it downloads, it should automatically delete those unwanted files. And finally, I also need to integrate the Net Framework 3.5 because some of the applications that I use on the daily basis, they require this application. So once you are ready, you have to simply click create download package, and as you can see now it has downloaded, that is around 8 KB. All you have to do is just simply go ahead, open that. Now you have to copy or extract that anywhere that you are comfortable. In my case, I'll be extracting that inside of it, inside this directory. Now open it and now paste the extracted details. Now all you have to do is just simply right click on it and choose run as administrator. Okay, there is an issue because of the new folder. Now you have to change the name. There should not be any space at all. Because of that, it's not working for the moment. So you have to go ahead, run the application again as administrator. Now all you have to do is right click on it and choose run as administrator. Following by that, you will notice that it is giving you a warning. Now previously I never noticed this type of error. However, this time Windows is warning a security, saying that only run the scripts that you trust. In my case, I know I trust this website, that's why I'm using it. Now below it's asking you, do you want to run this file to download the Windows 11? Well, you have the options of do not run or runs once and then suspend. It's going to suspend the action. For now, you have to go ahead and press R and then press enter. Now it's going to firstly download the Audio 2 script, the software. Through that, it's going to download the Windows 11. Now this part, it really depends on the internet connection that you have, because downloading this process takes a lot of time. If your internet connection is not stable, you should ignore this method right away at the moment. So as you can see, this part is going to take a while. Yesterday, fortunately, I had downloaded another version of the Windows. As you can see, that is the version 22631.3668. So as you can see, once the download completes, you will notice, or you will see an ISO just like this here. All you have to do is just go ahead, mount it, and then just simply go ahead, double click on the setup. It's going to launch the installation process, and then follow the on-screen prompts, and then you will be able to upgrade the Windows 11 to the Windows 11 24H2. So as you can see, these are the methods that you can go ahead and download an early version of the Windows 11 24H2 and then install it and test it, and everything is good to go. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know if you have any thoughts in the comment section. For now, have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.